What's going on, fighters? How you doing? Travis Witherspoon from Carter Cow Capital, helping you fight for your financial freedom throughout the Forex market. And here is your Forex trader's tip today. The more that you know before taking a trade, the less you're probably going to end up losing money. Now, let me explain what I actually mean by that. If you're a beginning trader, there's higher probability that you're going to end up losing money because you don't know what you don't know. Right? If you don't educate yourself before being able to place in a trade, if you don't paper trade and be able to see how your broker actually moves, if you don't understand the market behavior of that trade, if you don't know how to be able to find trading alignment or have just a overall simple and repeatable plan of action before you end up taking a trade, the more you're probably going to lose. Right? Now, understand this. That's not necessarily saying that you're going to end up blowing up your account. It just means that you need to gain more education. You need to know more about that pair. You need to know more about the market correlations that affect that pair so you can be able to place yourself into profitable positions so you can be able to get in. Now, understand this, and I'm going to say this, I'm going to be very honest. Forex is hard work, right? And if anybody ever tells you that Forex is so easy that you can be able to place money in and then basically it's going to skyrocket to the moon. Your $500 is going to end up turning into $5,000, all right, in the course of the next 20 something days. Is lying to you. All right. They're lying to you. I want you to understand that. Right. And it may not be lying to you from their perspective because they probably already went through the trials and tribulations of being able to see what works and what not works. Right. But you, on the other hand, if you've never traded before, there's probably a less chance that you're going to end up turning your $500 to $5,000. It's not going to happen, right? I'm just being honest with you. So I don't want you to sit up there and have the belief to say that Forex is so easy, right, that I can take one trade and I can be able to just blow up my account to whatever money that it's going to end up being, right, without you having to understand that, well, if economic news ends up coming out and I end up trading during the economic news time, there's a high probability chance that I could lose money if the news is not well for me, right? If I don't have the right trade alignment, if I don't have the right trading plan, if I do not have a protective stop, right, I could sit up there and blow my money up in my account, right? So understand this, the more work that you end up putting in for being able to investigate on what's going on with that information for that overall currency pair, being able to see, okay, what trading zone is it in? What direction is the market basically moving in there? Is there an entry point based off of the time frame that I like to be able to get in? Is there a counter trend line break, right? Is there momentum in the market that could potentially end up moving in my favor, right? If you end up finding out all of that information before you end up taking a trade, I guarantee you it will end up being way more smoother and being able to take that trade and seeing instant results while you're actually going through there. Now, if you like what I end up talking about, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. My boys are actually about to run down as we speak and be able to hop onto the screen. But like always, I'll see you tomorrow for your next trader's tip.